welcome you all on the behalf of GuruKPO.com. I am Dr. Preet Palkar, Assistant Professor in Science. I am going to tell you about two giant chromosomes present in organisms. These are Lamb-Rush chromosomes and polytene chromosomes. So firstly, we will discuss about the Lamb-Rush chromosomes. These were discovered by Rocket in 1982 and they are present during the diploidal stage of mitosis. They are present in oocytes of vertebrate as well as in invertebrates also. Basically, these are sites of rapid mRNA synthesis. They are especially present in oocytes. This is a reason because that during the embryo development they need lots of protein synthesis, and mRNA is basic of protein synthesis. So these chromosomes provide a site for more and more mRNA synthesis, so that more and more protein can be synthesized, which is required in proper embryo development. So this is the Lamb-Rush chromosomes. It is consist of a main chromosome axis, which is consist of two chromatids. And on the lateral sides of the axis, there are the unfolded structure form of chromosomes, and these are the filaments, DNA filaments, low density DNA filaments, and here it is a present. These are the rapid mRNA synthesis is going over in this region, and this region is transcriptionally very active. From a single chromomere is basically, it is the high density DNA granules which are present along the chromosome axis. So from a single chromomere there may be more than 9 loops which give appearance of Lamb-Rush, so that this is the reason why these chromosomes are called as Lamb-Rush chromosomes. The main function of the Lamb-Rush chromosome is a more and more protein synthesis. The loops which are formed, they gradually increase during the mitosis, and when they reach up to diplotin, the maximum number is as diplotin, and after diplotin they start to decrease. So this was about the Lamb-Rush chromosome. Next giant chromosome I am going to discuss, that is the polytene chromosome. Polytene chromosomes were discovered by E.G. Balbiani in 1980. They are specific interface chromosomes, consist of thousands of DNA strands. Basically, they are found in mammals, tissues of mammals, and invertebrates also, but basically the two orders of insects are representative of polytene chromosomes. They are Diptera and Collembola. They show, each polytene chromosome show band and interband morphology. This is the polytene chromosome. These are the bands, dark lines, these are the bands. Bands are the region where there is a high density of DNA, and interband there is low density of DNA. The 85% of DNA of a polytene chromosomes lies in the band region and 15% lie in the interband region. Along with band and interband region, there are puffs are made by of rapid mRNA synthesis. These rings are called as Balbiani rings. So these are the Balbiani rings. These are the site of rapid mRNA synthesis. These puffs appear and disappear according to the need of the specific protein which is needed at particular time. This is the mRNA synthesis continuously being synthesized in the Balbiani ring, and this is the chromonimeta. Polygyny arise in a tissue or in an organ when there is a rapid need of development of that particular organ, and the organisms having polytene chromosomes, they are involved in secretory function. So polytene chromosomes, they have mainly two significance. First is that they are related to secretion, as I have told that all the polytene chromosomes, they involved in secretory function, as well as they are rapid sites of rapid mRNA synthesis which are needed for that particular development of the organ. So these were the two chromosomes. For further detail, you can log on www.gurukpo.com. Thank you and thank you.